How to order a new card reissue for an expired card on your Absa Banking app.
Log into the Absa Banking app.
Tap Cards on the bottom left of the screen. If your card is expiring soon, an orange notification will appear on the Cards tab. Tap the orange tab to order a new card. You can receive your new card either via courier services or you can collect at an Absa branch. If you select the courier option, your delivery details will be displayed. Note: you cannot change the delivery address. You can change your contact number and your profile will be updated with the contact number provided. Tap Continue. Confirm if the details are correct, then tap Confirm. Accept the verification request. To track the delivery of your card, tap Track Card. You have successfully ordered a new card. Note: the courier will contact you to arrange the delivery of the card. Please have proof of identity available on the day of the delivery.
Always log out after using your Absa Banking app.